Hi there, this is Andreas Bluethner and I'm talking today to you as an advisor for the Rainbow Chefs Academy. And I'm really into the overall goal to reducing obesity and diabetes in the US. And innovative nutrition education is what the Rainbow Chefs bring to the table. We all know in the United States and not limited to the US, child obesity and diabetes is on the rise. We are aware of the health toll that this brings with it for public sector, for the health system, but there's also cost and disadvantages for children, which are often a setback for a lifetime.